What's going on, you guys? This is Tech HD coming at you with a brand new video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Rode PodMic, and this has become a very popular microphone for both streaming and podcasting because of the quality and its price. This goes for $100, and it's a dynamic cardioid microphone. And if you guys have been with my channel for a while now, then you know that I reviewed the Rode Procaster almost 2 years ago, and it's basically the bigger brother of the PodMic. I basically use that microphone for voiceovers, for streaming, and if you guys don't know, I do stream on Twitch quite frequently, so if you want to check it out, it's twitch.tv/tech_hd1, and if you want to see the video of the Procaster, I'll leave a link down in the description below, or you can click on the eye to check it out. But today, we're going to be taking a look at the Rode PodMic. We're going to see what it comes with, talk about the features, and do a lot of audio tests. So we're going to see how it performs as a budget microphone. So now let's take a look at what comes in the box. Inside you'll get the PodMic, and that's basically it. Easiest unboxing ever, but taking a look at the build quality, it feels amazing. It's an all metal build and it's pretty heavy for a microphone, weighing a little over 2 pounds, which is technically more than the Rode Procaster, surprisingly. You have the U-mount already installed, and on the back is the XLR port, and on the mount there is a 5/8 and 3/8 threading built in. Alright, you guys, so now I want to do a couple of sound tests with the Rode PodMic. I have it right in front of me on a stand. This is the raw audio of the microphone. So let me know down in the comments below on what you guys think of the audio. And I have it about a foot away from me, and I have it connected directly to my Tascam DR40X. And I have the gain set to about 85 out of 90, so literally 95%, which is pretty insane. But like, this is a dynamic cardioid microphone, so it doesn't require any 48 volt phantom power. I have phantom power disabled right now, but we're going to be trying it out as well with a Cloudlifter to see how it really sounds. But let me know what you guys think of it. I like to keep the audio like around -18 to -12 decibel level. That's usually a good sweet spot. I have it connected to XLR, connected directly into the recorder. Okay, so now I want to try some off-access recording, see how it is with rejecting any type of background audio. So this is how it is when it's right in front of it. This is how it sounds like around 90 degrees, basically right next to it. This is how it sounds like when it's about 180 degrees, so right behind it. This is how it sounds like on the other side at 90 degrees. And then we're back to 0. So now this microphone doesn't have any type of shock mount or anything like that, so I'm just tapping on my table, seeing how it is with rejecting that audio, seeing how it is with the vibration going onto the capsule. And then I'm going to be tapping on the stand as well as the arm a bit, seeing how it is with rejecting that as well. Okay, you guys, so now I want to do a plosive sound test to see how it is when it comes to rejecting any of the P's or the B's, which is basically plosives. So, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. And now I have the furry windscreen also provided by Rode. Nothing was changed, so let's try the plosives again. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. And now I just want to show you guys how the audio sounds like in a well-treated room versus to an untreated room. So right now I have some studio blankets as well as acoustic panels and bass traps all over in the studio. So this is how it sounds like in a treated room. And this is how it sounds like in an untreated room. Right now I'm in my living room. There's blank walls everywhere. There's no acoustic panels, no acoustic foams on the ceilings, no bass traps, no acoustic blankets, nothing like that. Just completely untreated. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below on how it is in an untreated room. For this being a dynamic cardioid microphone, it should do pretty well compared to a regular condenser microphone, but still you should hear a little bit of background noise and echo and reverb compared to in the actual treated room. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Okay, you guys, so I also wanted to show you how the audio sounds like with a Cloudlifter CL1 connected to it as well. So before I had the gain set to about 85 out of 90. Now I have it set to about 55 out of 90. So 30 basically 30 numbers below, and this is how it sounds like. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below of how the audio is compared with the Cloudlifter and without the Cloudlifter. With the Cloudlifter, I need to have 48 volt phantom power enabled, and without it, since this is a dynamic cardioid microphone, I don't need it to be enabled at all. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, if it sounds any cleaner, if it sounds better. I really want to hear you guys' thoughts. And finally, I wanted to show you guys how the audio sounds like when I have it a little bit off axis to about 45-degree angle, not directly in front of me, but a little bit towards the side. So I want to hear you guys' thoughts on what you guys think about the audio, if it sounds better this way or if it sounds better directly facing me. Okay, you guys, and the last thing that I want to show you guys is how I used it as a streaming microphone. So I've been messing with this for a couple weeks now, and I used it for streaming a lot. I replaced the Rode Procaster for a bit, and I wanted to use the PodMic, see how it is when it comes to streaming, if there's really a difference or not. So I'm going to play back a little bit of some of the clips from Twitch or from YouTube, and so that you guys could determine how it sounds. So the montage is already uploaded. It's just uploaded as unlisted for the time being, because it's a submission video for G Fuel. So they asked to make it as unlisted. Yeah, the Spider-Man game looks dope. Last of Us looks dope. Some other exclusive games, nothing too crazy. Ratchet and Clank. Oh, you scared the shit out of me, Mike. What was that guy doing? I don't know. He had a crossbow. Damn, I'll be back in a bit. Alright, go. Getting shot at. Michael! Alright, Mike, I'm gonna jump straight down. He's on top on the roof.
Why?
Alright, you guys, so the Rode PodMic for $100 is honestly insane of a microphone. The audio quality is really nice, as well as the build quality for $100 is honestly insane. It's an all-metal build. It weighs around 2 pounds, so it weighs more than what most microphones weigh. It has all the threads needed built into the stand, which is really nice, so I can mount this on any type of stand, whether it's a stand or a boom arm, and the weight of it for 2 pounds weighs perfect for the blue boom arm that I have, because usually that blue boom arm, if you put any type of lighter microphones, it doesn't really work well, but the PodMic works perfectly for it. The Plosives, the audio quality sounded really good, but the Plosives sounded very interesting. It didn't protect so much of the B's and the P's, so I do recommend getting the Rode windscreen. This works for both the Procaster and the PodMic, so this works really well. And the Cloudlifter CL1 is not really necessary in my opinion, but it is a good additional thing. Since this is a dynamic microphone, it doesn't require any 48-volt phantom power, but with the Cloudlifter CL1 it does require that. It's a good additional thing if you don't want to have the gain all the way up there. So overall, my thoughts of the Rode PodMic is honestly insane. For $100, you cannot go wrong with this. Whether you want to do podcasting, of course, this is what this is mainly intended for voiceovers as well as for streaming. I use this a lot for streaming, and honestly, compared to the Rode Procaster, I didn't hear that much of a difference when it comes to digital like streaming on OBS and on Twitch. When I play back audio on Twitch for the PodMic and the Procaster, I really didn't hear that much of a difference. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you guys do want me to do a comparison of the PodMic versus the Procaster, I really want to hear you guys' thoughts on what you guys think of it. I'm thinking of a video like that, but I really want to know what you guys think of that, if it'll be a good video or not. There you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know down in the comments below on what you guys think of the audio, as well as everything will be linked down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so that you guys can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitch. As always, TechHD. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!